Hi, my name is Dr. Deva Khalsa. I've been a holistic veterinarian for over 30 years and I love getting animals healthier and happier. I'm an international lecturer and I've authored a best-selling book, Dr. Khalsa's Natural Dog, and today in this video we're going to be talking about feline urinary tract disease. Now when cats make frequent trips to the litter box or suddenly begin urinating in unusual places like the bathtub, it's likely they're letting you know they have a urinary tract problem. Feline lower urinary tract disease is a relatively common problem and it's often called cystitis, and it can be worrisome and expensive. Just ask any cat owner whose feline gets cystitis at the drop of a hat. The good news is that there are natural supplements and homeopathic methods to help treat and, more importantly, avoid and prevent these bladder problems. Anyone who's had cystitis can attest to that feeling of needing to go, and it's the same with your cats. In some cases, the urine may be pink or red. If your cat chooses a tile floor or the bathtub, it's pretty easy to tell if the urine's blood tinged. Mixing some shredded white toilet paper into the litter is a handy trick which can let you know if there's any blood in your cat's urine. In the case of a blocked cat, urine crystals or mucus can block the urethra. Blocked cats exhibit frequent but fruitless straining. Nothing comes out. Along with signs of stress, discomfort, they can even cry out in pain. This is far more common in male cats, and these urinary obstructions constitute a true veterinary emergency. So if you suspect that it's not cystitis, but a urinary tract obstruction, get right to the vet or an emergency service for pets. Now, researchers are still looking into the causes of so much cystitis in cats. Over the past 20 years, the theories have changed. One historic cause was thought to be the ash content in cat food, but that's been proven incorrect. Until the late 1980s, struvite crystals were commonly found in a cat's urine sample. Now calcium oxalate crystals are also very common. Different crystals require different treatments, so an analysis of the urine is necessary to determine the exact crystal type. Interestingly, the longer the urine sits after the collection, the less dependable it will be, because it's like a child science experiment. For some crystals dissolve while others grow, just like in a high school experiment. When having your cat's urine checked for crystals, it's best to get the lab as soon as possible to check it after it's collected. Unfortunately, cats that get urinary tract problems tend to get them more than once. Because of this, learning some simple facts about diet and nutrition go right along with Ben Franklin's observation that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. For diet can have a profound effect on bladder health. Healthy cats generally have a low thirst because cats evolved on the African savanna. Prey contains about 70% water. By comparison, dry kibble has only 10% water, so cats that eat only kibble will have more concentrated urine and a higher tendency to form crystals. Feeding more canned food and even watering that canned food down a bit by adding some water to it and mixing it in creates a higher liquid intake for your cat. Raw food diets also provide more dietary liquid. The pH of the urine is important because crystals need a specific pH in order to which to form. Cats prefer protein-rich foods, but they evolved eating whole prey and were conveniently provided with vegetable matters and greens from the prey's intestines. Unfortunately, heated and processed pet foods, by nature of their preparation methods, are stripped of essential plant nutrients and healthy ingredients. Healthy plant nutrients such as vitamin C and cranberry work to acidify the urine and prevent the buildup of certain crystals in the urine. Nature had its own method of stopping crystals from growing in the bladders of cats. In the wild, cats got lots of vitamin D3 when they ate the liver of their prey, and a lot of active vitamin K2 when they eat the contents of their prey's intestine. That's really important to know because vitamins K1 and D3 help metabolize and process minerals. Working together, vitamin K2 prevents calcium from washing into the bladder while D3 creates efficient mineral metabolism. In humans, vitamin D3 is called the sunshine vitamin because it becomes biologically active when the human body is exposed to sunlight. But cats don't have those same enzymes in their skin to do this. It would make no sense because they have fur. But they need to get their vitamin D3 from a supplement like raw liver or cod liver oil. This new research indicates that vitamins K2 and D3 may be very important in preventing urinary tract crystals and urinary crystal formation in cats. This new research indicates that vitamins K2 and D3 may be very important in preventing urinary crystal formation in cats. Certain foods also help to prevent and eliminate bladder problems in cats. Vitamin C only acidifies the urine for a few hours after it's taken, but cranberry will acidify the urine for almost an entire day. Cranberry also contains a polysaccharide called mannose, which selectively binds to bacteria, carrying them out of the bladder. In fact, bacteria prefer mannose to the cells of the bladder wall. Giving cranberry on a daily basis will often help to prevent and treat urinary tract infections. Dandelion promotes urination and flushes the urinary tract. An excellent supplement for cats called Deserving Pets, Vital Vites, contains all the above-mentioned vitamins, minerals, and superfoods. It's totally balanced and complete, and the mix is put through a special flavor blasting process, so the cats will really like it. Now, there are also certain homeopathic remedies which are helpful and can be found in health food stores. There is going to be some videos on homeopathy and how to give it to cats, which you can watch in conjunction with this so you learn how to use homeopathy in your cats. The first remedy is called Apis mellifica, and it's a good remedy to give when the urine is blood tinged. Cantharis is excellent for cystitis that causes irritation and frequent urging. Causticum is indicated for chronic cystitis. They can be administered to melt on the gums orally 2 to 4 times a day, depending on the severity of symptoms. The good news is, between your veterinarian, correct dietary management, a good supplement, and some homeopathic remedies, you now have some excellent tools to alleviate and prevent cystitis in your beloved cats. To find out how to administer homeopathic remedies to your cats, watch my video, Homeopathy Made Easy, and also you can go to my blog, dogandcatvitamins.com, and learn lots of other handy tips about keeping your pets healthier. I look forward to seeing you there.